Good evening. As at 4 p.m. today, a total of 978 samples have been sent for testing from the state. The results of 948 samples have been received and all have been tested as negative. The results for the remaining 30 samples are awaited. In addition, through the TrueNat testing machine, so far a total of 26 samples have been tested and all are negative. A total of 922 persons are presently under facility quarantine and a total of 744 persons are under home quarantine. Today, the State Cabinet held a meeting and received briefings from the Home Department on the various lockdown measures presently in force in the state and also about the quarantining arrangements being made for the citizens of Nagaland returning to the state. I would like to inform that today a special train is going to depart from Chennai, Tamil Nadu with 1467 stranded citizens of Nagaland for Dimapur. The train is expected to reach Dimapur in the afternoon of 22nd of May 2020. As regard the one-time financial assistance in the form of cash grant to persons from Nagaland stranded outside the state and who have voluntarily opted to stay back in their respective places, till now 1071 persons have been paid rupees 10,000 each, amounting to rupees 1.07 crores in total. On the Nagaland COVID-19 toll-free helpline number 1800-345-0019 of the Health and Family Welfare Department, till 4 p.m. of 18th May 2020, a total of 771 calls have been registered for telemedicine consultation, mental health counseling, digital support for app users, COVID Information Center and complaints and grievance redressal. As of today, 1002 persons are currently being monitored through the nCovid-19 Nagaland Visitors app. Thank you.